Hi Botswana, my name is Refilwe Okatswa and this is my second audition. Like I said, singing is my passion, and if you vote for me, I will never let you down. I will make you proud always. I'm gonna sing Black Eyed Peas, Where's the Love? Okay. Overseas, yeah, we tryna stop terrorism, but we still got terrorists here living in the USA and in the CIA. The blood is in the Crips is in the KKK. But if you only have love for your own race, then you're gonna leave space to discriminate, and to discriminate only generates hate. When you're hating, you're bound to get irate. Yeah, madness is what you demonstrate, and that's exactly how anger works operate. Man, you gotta have love is to set it straight. Take control of your mind and meditate. Let your soul gravitate to the love. People killing, people dying, sure ain't hurt and then they crying. When you practice what you preach, would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us. Send some guidance from above. 'Cause people got me questioning, where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where's the love? Thank you.